the energy remedies. These are all drugless therapies filled with intention to cure, different intention of the remedy, intention of the group of remedy. Now let us make it is from the remedies and useful combination. Let us make a heart tonic. From heart tonic you see BR5. Okay, see what is the rate here? 968725. 968725. And what is the potency? 50 amp. So those are using card machine. For them it will be very easy, because we know that our Narayani volume 3 consists of Narayani mixtures, organ mixtures, BR balance remedies, and Soham mixtures. Like that you can see here all BR, OM, and SR is single remedy. These also are available in this Excel sheet, so no need to search anywhere outside from this Excel sheet. I already shared you in the group. Now I just want to explain how to use it. Okay, now next we can go after BR5, we go to BR18 circulation. So already experts are already advised what all can be added into this heart tonic group. So these are the combinations mentioned before this common combo could come into existence. So this was advice. This is very old website. I just for my own purpose I just downloaded it. So it is for the Jagat Kalyan, for the betterment of the world I am sharing it. So you can see BR18 you can use. BR18, what is the number? 314-635 and potency is 50 m. And next is the OM7. Just see, you can just search OM7 also, but it is very easy. Go and see that OM heart. OM heart, what is the potency? CM 84532. So like that. So next, what is the next? We can see Arnica 30C. Anything they are mentioning after SR, they are mentioning the potency. That means you should not keep the potency what is mentioned on the card or mentioned on this list, because these are the list standard. If they don't mention, like aconite is not mentioned, they are not mentioned the potency, then in this list aconite, whatever the potency they are mentioning, that you can set. Now here 271, you go to the 271. See, these also very easy. Go to the 271. No, see, let us see whether it is matched or not. Yeah, these are the number 271. Yeah, 271. Arnica. Here they have mentioned two potencies. So now 30 and 200. Here in the mixture they will be clearly mentioning what potency you have to add. So Arnica 74913. Set this number, put the 30 potency, and again you can add. I told you can make the combination by two ways. One, charging the same water again and again. Water, I can call it a vehicle. It is called in homeopathy, we call it a vehicle. Vehicle means the remedy is carried in that particular substance, like water, alcohol, sugar pills, or sacklac, or you can say sugar of milk. Those are all called a vehicle. That you can keep it on the out disk, so that you can charge with this number. So SR 286. So again you see 286 Cratagus, generally mentioned is 30C potency. So you can put it here. So it is very easy, means without knowing much about the theory, because theory about the this one you can make a wonderful and wonderful combinations with a very great success. So these combinations have been done by very dedicated experts. And see, brain, brain and capillaries, muscles, veins, and these are all are added for making the good heart tonic. Means with no previous background of the any medical science, you will be able to help. Even though see it's are all it is seems like medical literature, but these are all drugless therapies, no drugs, only we thoughts, focused thoughts are used for making these remedies. So I think so it is very clear to you all. So you can say like that only. Next, diuretic means excess fluid in the heart, or you can say you want see like that. Now I give example of this. You want to make generally in allopathy they give for excreting the water from the body, they give a ditor and something like that. So similar to in energy remedies, what we can do, Adonis Weir, that is SR 541. Just go to the SR 541. SR 541 is a SR 541 Adonis. Generally, it is mentioned here as in the 30 potency. So we can add in 30 potency adonin. Adonin is from homeostore they are writing. This also we will get in the our big spiral binding book. Okay, so like that we can make it this one. These are the remedies. So I just told you how we can make the heart tonic. And pain, palpitation, leg on ulcer, numbness. So for the numbness in the leg, so you go through this all chapters are there from head to toes, everything is there. Means for knees joint pain, every the things are available in this. So by going to this this group, you see what are the mentioned here, same will be available here in the Excel sheet. Go to that point, and if you have you are using the card machine, it is well and good. You will get the cards in the same name. Like if you pick the card 272, it will be arsenic alba only. If you pick the card 275, it will be belladonna only, like that. Chelidonium 284, like that. So here you have to go for that particular serial number if someone has a dial machine, because I already told you making a CC combo is very difficult, because there are more than 50-60 combinations are there, and some are necessary, because of course it is being doused by very dedicated and devoted experts. So I don't have any doubt on that, why they must have added some unnecessary things, nothing like that. But the shortcut of that, previous to that, what they were using is here. So make use of this, and I want those who, because we know that our body is sharira. Sharir is called means it will keep on what do you call, keep on decaying. So to stop that means that in our house there will be some of the issues where we can address from this book, or I can say this section. So we can use the high blood pressure. So for high blood pressure, what to use? Very beautifully explained this. And see, these are all we can directly get it from here, and use and share your experience. And you see varicose veins, clot in the veins. You see, these are very fantastic thing for using for a varicose veins. Varicose veins, what is the combination here? See, 21 combination NM31, 22, 32, 32 and excellent. We have solved many, many people are happy by taking this remedy. So this I wanted to share with you, because following the CC combo is very difficult. We can have definitely make a small, just for varicose vein 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, only 10. Now when once you have my digital Vibrionics, this whole combination can be done just within 10 minutes, because each combination is taking hardly 8 to 10 seconds. So make use of everything. So we have, because here you no need to have any previous no experience of medical experience, because these are all, but no one can stop you taking the knowledge. You can get the knowledge, read the books, read homeopathic books, that something is written here, uh, heart in the whole, they have mentioned the symphytum here. How this is useful, you go to that book and you will get, in some book it will be written, symphytum has got a symptoms like a palpitation. So many things are there. So like a numbness, arnica, we have written arnica crataegus, and arteries and capillaries and veins for numbness of any, and edema. So beautiful. See, low platelet count. See, this is a common thing we are facing nowadays, because nowadays it is summers. Within summer we may likely to have malaria and dengue, thing like that. It doesn't mean that you keep treating your kids and surrounding people and don't allow them to go to the hospital. Nothing like that. They have to approach that conventional method of treatment has to be there. Along with that, you have to use these remedies, and this is what the thrombosis, very beautiful, very excellently they have mentioned here. Please make use of this. See, varicose veins combinations is there, excellent, because with the same combination we have cured, not only cured, given relief to many patients. Varicose ulcers, beautiful. Please make use of this.